Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to teach you guys how to remove a background in Canva. What I want you guys to do is to go to the website. Then what you do next is to come to this place. You click on upload. I want you to come up right here. To click on upload. You can choose your file that you want to use. Click on choose file. And then I click on the image I want to remove the background for. Okay, once the image is loaded, what I want you guys to do next is to come to the left side of this image to click on edit photo. Once you click on the photo, then it's going to process, and let's wait for it to come up. Yes, it's coming up. Once the image is loaded, I want you to come to this top left and click on background remover. Now it's going to process to remove the background. Now you can see that yes, the background is out, the background has been removed, and that's it guys. It's an easy step to do. There's nothing hard inside. You can do this, and yeah, that's it. That's a photo that its background has been removed. Alright, so that's it guys. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.